To install Nextimage, first go to Contex.com, go to the Support and Downloads tab, then Software and Downloads. Go to Software and choose Nextimage 7. The release notes will inform of the supported scanners and any changes. The Supported Printers tab opens a list of all the printers this version of Nextimage supports. Select the latest version of Nextimage for your scanner. Save the install to the PC. Open the file. Follow all the normal steps to install. Once completed, then Nextimage can be opened.